Being a learning scholar, the biggest lesson I learned is that we just have to be there for each other.
There's no I in team. So we all had to come together and we all had to study each other to make sure we were looking out for each other.
What made this one absolutely incredible around public health was the actual work in building toilets, but building like biodigesters. I'm still excited about it because it was like building an oven. And knowing that we were making incredible history in that community.
While we were working, it was just so beautiful to see people just, if I got something you don't have, let me extend the olive branch and pick you up to my level.
I'm not helping you, I'm empowering you, and you are doing the same for me.
Our community liaison, Peter, came to us and asked specifically if we would bring our university group back.
When communities see us, they're very happy and proud to see how collectively we are a family. We are a GSU family in this country, and it makes us proud. We are ambassadors for Governor State. We are also ambassadors for the United States.
I think we all came back better people. And I think that's why Dr. West spoke to it being a life-changing experience, because I think we all bettered ourselves in this trip.